Yo,
Yo,
what's up? How you doing,
up?
guys? Today we are in somewhere in East Bali, actually, beautiful place.
Well, basically, this area is called the Royal Purnama, and then it's in between Sanur and before East Bali.
Yeah, between Karamas Beach and, well, 20 minutes from drive from Sanur going into Karangasem, East Bali direction if you are interested. And, well, it's actually a pretty nice place here.
Okay, this hotel or villas, I just checked, like, in Google, something like that. This resort also famous for those who wants to have a wedding. So, yeah, I can see that there are so many nice spots for taking pictures. So, Insta-worthy places. But here today, this is not paid endorsement or promotion, something like that. So because I'm on my holidays and then we are not going anywhere, and then we just decide I didn't want to travel too much, and yeah, we just decide to have an afternoon coffee and yeah, just enjoy our holidays. But Damian not holiday, only me holiday.
Also, when we are making reservation for the afternoon tea, the lady said in the reservation this is very quiet, but when we arrive, actually, it's not that quiet. I mean, it's some people here. That's actually very optimistic point of view, right?
Yeah, so we are just, put our bags in the cabana, and then few minutes later on, some people already coming. So yeah, so maybe it's just like what we explained before, like when we were in Canggu. Nowadays, the trend is just about the place with the Insta-worthy, for pictures and
Like
everything.
behind you, honey, the stones.
And
It's nice.
So yeah, like tropical vibes. So this is the place which will be selling if we compare like the place which is showing the cultural historical places. Maybe not many people
less,
interested,
right?
like even like this simple places, like let's say we didn't stay here in the resort or the villas. We didn't stay, we just simply go to the restaurant, which you see that the background, like pub, coconut trees, tropical vibes, swimming pool, and then yeah, Insta worthy. People come here even if they are not staying here. They just come here for lunch or afternoon tea. And I read that in one social media, if I'm not mistaken, Trip Canvas or something, this place is famous for afternoon tea. It's very nice time to have afternoon coffee. And this is what afternoon tea, our afternoon tea today. So cute. Ooh, so maybe for those of you asking me how much I paid, just paid 150, so include coffee or tea. I just choose my hot cappuccino.
But one thing what I just would like to notice, we are even allowed to freely making pictures and videos here.
And
That's
also,
very important.
one thing, and also the quality of the, food and beverage is really much better than Amankila last time. And then, yeah, more affordable, only 150K, and you can enjoy the swimming pool, taking pictures, or whatever you do, you can do it. Last night, my friend called me that she is now in Thailand, yeah, and then tomorrow she will fly to Jakarta. So she is on holidays for 2 weeks in Thailand.
Where in Thailand?
In Bangkok
Oh,
and Phuket,
right.
and I think
Nice.
that she was in Pattaya as well. So she has a boyfriend. Her boyfriend is coming from Australia,
And she's from?
and she's from Bali. She's from North Bali, and then she told me that it has been 2 years that she didn't meet, her boyfriend, and then she said that she already gone crazy, and then yeah, because of that, and yeah, that she was on holidays, and then she have a good time with her boyfriend in Thailand. And yeah, she told me that whenever she fly out from Bali to Thailand, she was only 1 day quarantine. Not quarantine, actually she was 1 day in the hotel because she took the PCR test and everything. And then after the test, she just freely travel. And then I just saw her pictures on Instagram. And then I follow her in Insta story. Like the life in Thailand, the tourism in Thailand is just like back to normal. Clubs and everything is already back to normal. And she will fly to Jakarta, and she said that the hotel where she will get a quarantine, she will be in 10 days quarantine. But I check in the, like in the news nowadays, that if you are not traveling from the countries which has no 10,000 cases, you only quarantine, like for 7 days. This is the new rules, but I'm not sure, is it already signed by Mr. President or not? But yes, last time she said that she will be quarantined in 10 days, and she said that she didn't get any notice from the hotel will be the reduce of the days of quarantine. So yeah, she was 14 days holiday in Thailand, freely, happily, and now she's back quarantined for 10 days. Even she already fully vaccinated, and I don't know the test, but she said that she already make the test and the test is negative, and then yeah, she's ready to fly back to Indonesia, to Jakarta.
And also we have, it's not only a Sweeney friend, actually I know her also personally, but we have also viewers on our channel who, many of you guys, especially even Australian people, changing your plans, some of you of course, and going to Fiji, Thailand, because, well, it's just simply very hard to come to Bali or Indonesia, right? It's just sad reality, right?
Just like whenever now there is no free tourist visa or visa on arrival, but as a tourist you have to pay the visa just around 300 or 400 US dollars, and then you need to quarantine for 10 or 7 days, or
It's actually
it's quite long.
It actually doesn't really matter 14, 10, 7 days. It's still very long. Everything what is more than 1 day is just simply very long, guys. And
the thing is that if you are fully vaxxed and then you took the PCR already, upon arrival already negative and everything's clear, but you still need to have a quarantine for quite such a long day. So
exactly.
Maybe it makes people not really happy with that. So the win-win solution, like my friend, because already 2 years didn't meet each other, they already gone crazy. So they took the risk that they travel out to Thailand, they have a good time, and then yeah, they come back, like my friends, she come back, she will quarantine. So.
Yeah, at least they met each other, right? And also in most of the countries around the world right now is that as you are just travel, if you are fully vaxxed, as you just have a one test, and if you are negative, you are just free to go. You just do quarantine in case if suddenly you're gonna get positive, and that's totally understandable. I can understand that, and I fully accept that fact. But like coming here is like, I hope so. It's gonna change very soon. I hope so.
We do really hope. But as you know, as somebody said last time in our videos, welcome to Indonesia. Rules can be changed quickly and frequently. Let's go to the beach. They have a, very nice beach, black sand beach.
If you like volcanic beach, it's really nice.
So we decide to walk on the beach and show you how is the place around. Seems like many locals coming to the beach, enjoying, their time with their families, there swimming and everything. Yeah, it's just very nice afternoon walk. And yeah, walking with the dogs, so nice. And look at the sand. The sand basically is just like black sand beach. It's just like the beach in Tabanan. So nice. It's just like very soft. Look, so nice. Very soft. So yeah, this area is also famous for those who want to surfing. It's just like night surfing. This one is just close by the Kramas beach.
So basically, if you like the volcanic black sand beach, or you don't mind as it's black color, it's pretty nice area for you. So on the other side of the beach, over there, everywhere around, there are a lot of rice fields. Still rice fields, because for some reason the east coast of Bali, everything after sun or going more to the east, is not developing as fast as the west coast going to Tabanan for some reason, right, Hadi?
Yeah, so there are some hotels actually, like this hotel, and also Komaneka Kramas, and also Commune Beach Club, Commune Hotel.
Where we showed you last time, actually, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not as high as the Canggu, Prerenan, and go to the west coast.
So this is the hotel. There is the sun, or just over there, like 20 minutes, like I said. Maybe you can see already. Even you can see Uluwatu and GWK over there. And over there is the Nusa Penida Island, and Nusa Lembonan also, obviously. So yeah, somewhere there's supposed to be a Mount Agung, but seems like not today. Too cloudy.
So nice. I'm so happy with that. Guys, I think that's all our video today. This is on my holidays, and we would like to enjoy our time. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.